Hello everybody, welcome to AccuReggie. Let's talk about it. Let's dive right into it. We have a snowstorm out of nowhere coming to get us for Thursday. And this storm truly came out of nowhere. It really wasn't on the radar until about a couple days ago. And it's just gotten more and more significant. So let's dive right in. I'll give you the details. So right now, if I back up the computer model, you can see right now it's warm and there's showers here and there and drizzle, and that will continue tomorrow, though there could be some clearing. Okay, so tomorrow there could be some clearing as we wait for the blues to arrive. That's this line right here. This is the all important critical line for rain versus snow. Okay, and that is going to be very critical as we look at this storm, because the storm is actually going to start as rain. All right, so what happens is the cold front moves through, so it's going to be near 60 tomorrow, and then 30s at night as the cold front comes in. That sets us up for the storm, and that storm forms right along the cold front. So you can see as the cold air pushes in, okay, the storm forms. Now look, the green areas here forming over Philadelphia, that is moisture, and that's rain because the blue line is still up here. Okay, now, but watch what happens throughout the early morning hours of Thursday. Not only does the precipitation get heavier, denoted by these blues and these darker greens, but the blue line moves through the Philadelphia area. And look, hour after hour after hour after hour after hour of heavy, wet, plastering everything snow. This is a heavy, wet snow. This is not pull out the little sweeper. You need a solid shovel to move this snow, because it is just going to be a chunk of slushy, wet, sloppy snow. And 4 to 8 inches of it is what I'm expecting in Philadelphia, with the worst of it from 5 a.m. to 1 p.m. on Thursday. So 5 a.m. to 1 p.m. is the snowstorm. From midnight to 5 a.m. is the rain, but it'll quickly, around daybreak, switch over to heavy, wet snow from Philadelphia north and west, and then eventually it'll move down to the shore. North and west will be primarily snow, so I expect areas north and west of the city to get 6 to 12 inches. Okay, so if you're 10, 20 miles north of the city, 6 to 12 inches for you, 4 to 8 in the city itself. And I will say, because it's going to be so warm beforehand, places like in Center City, it's going to be hard at first to accumulate on that concrete. That concrete is warm right now. Same thing in the densely packed areas of Philly, where it's very few green spaces there. It's going to mostly just accumulate on the grass, but then it will eventually come down heavy enough where it is going to stick to everything, anything walking around. You can turn yourself into a snowman by just walking outside with the stickage of the snow, and then just the rate it's going to be coming down. It's going to be puking snow. All right, folks, that's the update for now. I will keep you posted on amounts and when we'll lock this forecast in, but that's the call right now, 4 to 8. Let's go.